Look at these sketch notes. All of these professional sketch notes were created in under 60 seconds using a hidden visual logic inside Gemini. No tables, no drawing skills, and definitely no more boring text walls. Today, I am giving you two-step simple prompt sequence that turns any complex idea into viral visual summary. First, open Google's Gemini and then select thinking mode. Make sure that you select thinking mode because when you select the thinking mode, Gemini will search better and give you better answer and explain you all the concepts easily. First, we need the structure. Today, we are using the biggest trend, agentic AI architecture. Okay, and now paste this prompt. Act as a visual strategist, analyze the topic. Here you can insert your own topic. Here I mentioned the rise of autonomous AI agents. Extract the 5 most critical concepts. For each concept, provide a 1-sentence summary and the creative visual metaphor. And I will remove this and click on submit. Okay, it gave us proper answer. Now for the heavy lifting. If you ask for an infographic, it will give you corporate nightmare. Now in the step 2, in the same conversation, paste this prompt. I have engineered this prompt for the best results and then click on submit and you can change the aspect ratio from 16:9 to 9:16 based on your own requirements. There you have it. And we got the picture, the rise of autonomous AI agents, and you can see the full picture here. And you can download the full image by clicking on the download full image. And also you can turn any video into Sketchnote as well. So for example, I copied the link of this video, the Tony Robbins, no one is ready for what's coming, the truth about AI. And then Google's Gemini, summarize this video, be brief and to the point analysis for the not AI enthusiast. Select thinking mode and then execute. Perfect. We got the result. And then we paste the second prompt and then we execute. Perfect. So now we got AI revolution and human prep. Tony Robbins on the diary of CEO visual summary. And we got this within just few seconds. You can find both prompts in the pinned comment as well as in the description. You can use this trick for anything, literally any topic. I just added the new topic 2026 space economy. Okay, we got the result and then we selected second prompt. Here we are. We got the picture and it's beautiful, pretty and informative. Hey guys, if you're learning something new today and enjoying my content, then subscribe to my channel. Currently, I'm one-man army show. So I'm writing script, recording the video, editing the video and publish it with you. Subscribing to my channel is the easiest way to support me in my journey.